Welcome to Galaxy Log, a monthly video about observing galaxies that would be best seen in the upcoming month's dark window or near new moon. We will choose 3 galaxies for prime observation, with one each for smaller telescopes up to 5 inches, medium scopes 6 to 12, and large scopes over 12 inches. Hello Galaxy observers. Galaxy Log is going through a change, and my wish is you'll get more out of the videos and the joy of observing these greatest of objects. What you see with this month's galaxies is something we're calling Galaxy Log NearView. The images will be a close representation of the eyepiece view through various telescopes. This will be done using notes and some modest sketching to adjust the photo image of the galaxy so it looks more like the actual view at the eyepiece. Thank you and enjoy the new Galaxy Log. For Galaxy Log date 07.2014, we will head to Draco, Serpens, and Way Voyage for this month's galaxies. We first head to Draco, and the lenticular galaxy, NGC 5866, are also called M102. Using my 4-inch f10 refractor on a good night at a local dark site, M102 was first located with a 20mm Colosimo eyepiece. This showed the galaxies a small lens-shaped, fairly bright glow near a couple of bright field stars. Best used with a 9mm super wide-foot eyepiece, but showed the galaxies a bit more elongated and the core area stood out a bit more. Added observing note. Nearby, a CAS member was using his large 7.1 f6 refractor and a 6mm ultra-wide-foot eyepiece. Here the galaxy stood out very well in a nice large field of view. The lens shape very obvious, with a very bright core. If you're using a very large telescope, see if you can see a thin dark lane. High power is best to see it. We move on to the constellation Serpens, an interacting pair NGC 5953 and 5954. Using my 8-inch f9 refractor on an excellent night at a local dark site, I viewed this duo, and it became an immediate favorite. I first located the pair with a 20mm ultra-wide-foot eyepiece, and they showed us 2 small galaxies, with 5953 as the brighter of the two. Best use came using 8mm and 6mm ultra-wide-foot eyepieces. Here NGC 5953 shows a round glow with a brighter center area that stood out well. NGC 5954 is a bit larger oval with its companion on its southwest side. 5954 showed a very slight brightening south of center. Just west of the pair is NGC 5951, which is a very elongated faint spiral galaxy. Best view here is with an 8mm ultra-wide-foot eyepiece. It showed a long faint glow with a slightly brighter center region. 5953 and 5954 are a very nice pair of interacting galaxies for medium-sized scopes, and should produce wonderful views with a large daub. For our final stop, we head to Way Voyage and another pair of galaxies, NGC 5992 and 5993. These two are not interacting like the previous pair, but still together in the cosmic dark of space. On a very good night from our darkest local site, I observed this pair with my 12.5-inch f4.8 daub. I first located the 2 galaxies with a 14mm ultra-wide-foot eyepiece, but they showed us small, though of different shapes. Using a 7mm super wide-foot eyepiece, showed 5993 a slightly larger round disk and a bit brighter center region. what at first seemed like a very faint stellar nucleus turns out to be a faint foreground star. 5992, though fainter, seemed to be a little more interesting. This galaxy was more oval in appearance, with a bit of brightening near center. South of the core region showed a faint, broad extension, or arm. This is a nice pair of distant galaxies that I'll be turning my 22-inch dive towards in an upcoming observing session. Well, that's it for this month's Galaxy Log. Clear dark skies and happy galaxy observing. Also remember, there's an amazing universe all around us. Explore it.
Galaxy Log is a production of Have a Stellar Birthday. We work with light, time, and people. Sponsored by 90mm Observatory. Backyard astronomy with small telescopes. Learn more at 90mm.org. Special thanks to the Chesmont Astronomical Society, dedicated to observational astronomy for more than 25 years. And to the music of Dave Luxton.